Once we have created a course in the authoring tool, have configured it, reviewed it, and it's all ready to use in your platform or LMS, are able to enroll the students in it, and to start it, we have to publish it in the platform. For this, once we have accessed the course in question, we will use the Publish option on the Tools button menu. When you publish a course on your platform, you have two options: publish it as a new course or update a course that already exists on your platform. With the option to publish it as a new course, you should only present the category or family where the course will be included. By accepting the window, the process of exporting the course will be carried out, after which the course will be available on your platform, so you can already enroll the students in it as with any other course. If you select the option to update another course that already exists on your platform, you must indicate the specific course you wish to update. In this case, it may happen that there are significant changes between the two courses, depending on the lessons added or eliminated, if the order of them has been modified, etc. These changes may be few or many. If the system detects changes that need your intervention to clarify them, the two indexes of the courses, the course of your platform, and the course that you have modified in the authoring tool will be shown, so that you can compare them and decide what to do in each case. The Settings button of each lesson allows to select the equivalent lesson of the other course, if there is one, to build the equivalence between the two courses. When continuing this process, if there are enrollments in the course that are being updated that will undergo changes in the progress made, the grades or the hours taken due to these modifications in the lessons of the course, this circumstance will be presented, showing a list of the enrollments that will be affected and what would be affected. You can continue with the process of publishing and updating the course, or cancel the process to review the course or the enrollments.